Hi guys, let's see how to recover deleted photos from trash on Samsung Galaxy M35. So for that, first of all open the gallery. Now here you will be able to see this icon. Simply tap on it. Now here tap on the trash. From here you will be able to see all the deleted images and videos. As you can see, I have 49 deleted images and 2 videos. So let's say I want to recover some of these deleted photos. So I will simply select the photo I want to recover. This one, and I want to recover this video as well. So I will simply select it. Once you have selected all the photos or videos you want to recover, simply tap on this restore option. And the selected image and videos will be restored on your smartphone. So now let's check it out if the images and videos has been recovered. So for that, simply close this. Now open the gallery. And now you can see all the selected images and videos has been recovered. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily recover deleted photos from trash on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.